This assessment asks us to identify the acid, the base, the conjugate acid, and the conjugate base in the reaction shown. But it labels already the base. And so now if the base is on the right side, it must be that the acid is also on the right side of the equation. So S- must react with H2 as the acid. So we'll write acid here. Now, if H2 is our acid, then over here, H- must be the conjugate base because H- differs by H2 by a proton. So H- is our conjugate base. Similarly, if the compound containing the negatively charged sulfur is our base, when that has accepted a proton, it should have generated our conjugate acid. And in fact, the SH here differs from the base by H+. So this compound here is our conjugate acid. So H- is our conjugate base. The thiol is our conjugate acid. Our base is the sulfide, and H2 is the acid.